The yellow-orange contours are the surveyed information, that triangulated data that I've been created to a contour for you. And at the moment, these.
Hey Daniel, were these the data that we collected this year that you used for the contours?
So this is surveyed triangulated data that's been done by this surveyed by some one of the surveyors at Unitec for that area. If you are using your own data that you surveyed, then that's no problem. But when you are anything that you are using in your drawings, just have a little note on the side of the drawing that you are using where you got that data from, whether it's you collected it yourself or if you're using the information that I've provided to you. So just have a little note in your drawings to disclaim that.
Okay. Yeah.
And if you are using the purple contours, which are the GIS from the Auckland Council, then just disclaim that you are using that as your information source for the surface information that you're using in your drawings. Okay, so all of these contours so at the moment, all of these contours are shown at every 250 mils of height difference and 1 meter. So I'm just going to make them a bit bigger. So now they're at every meter. So basically, we know that this road is 16 meters in width. All right, cool. So, and basically, depending on your road layout, you're either going to have footpath on one side, footpaths on both sides, and then using the road as the centre. So I'm just going to assume the road's in the centre for now to show you how to do a long section for the road. So what I've done there is I've just offset from this line 8 meters, and that's basically the centre line of the road. And if I click on the line, it gives me a distance. So it tells me that that line is 202.7 meters. So I'll just make it 202. So what I can do now is just draw a line horizontally and make it so that essentially is the centre line of the road. It's the same length as that line. Yep. Okay. So what's a good datum? What's this? If you just hover over a contour when you're using AutoCAD, it should tell you what the elevation is of that line. So this one's at 20. All right, so everything over 20 meters interacts with this particular road. So what I'll do is we'll assume a datum of 15 meters as this line.
production on the ground. Okay.
So I've just put that there so I know that basically I'm referencing that line at 15 meters. Okay, so when I go back to the drawing, we can see that basically the highest point for this is going to be 23. So if I offset this line every 1 meter, it's basically going to give me a representation of the different heights, and then what I'll do is I'll connect the dots to create what the road alignment's looking like with the existing surfaces.
This is called slowness for a PCM, and another slowing down other people. So on one,
I'll just show you how quickly it is to create an alignment using some of the tools that you have in Civil 3D.
What I'm thinking is nobody is using you can find
So basically you can see how quickly it is to how quick you can create what the existing surface looks like along that road alignment. If you do have the Civil 3D package, basically you can create an alignment within 10 seconds to show you what that original surface looks like. But so for this one, if you're doing it in 2D, it takes a little bit